Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Clerk and Webhook events and make step-by-step clearly. To begin authenticating with Clerk, sign in to your Clerk dashboard. Navigate to the API Keys section to retrieve your API keys. Copy the front-end API key, which will be used for authentication. In your make scenario, add a new HTTP request module. Set the request method to POST. In the URL field, enter the Clerk authentication endpoint. In the headers section, include the following: the authorization header with the value bearer followed by your API key. Next, add a body to your HTTP request. Format the body as JSON and include user details necessary for authentication. To proceed, run the HTTP request to validate your authentication setup. Once authenticated, you will want to set up Webhook events. In your Clerk dashboard, navigate to the Webhooks section. Create a new webhook by entering your endpoint URL in the designated field. Select the events you wish to receive notifications for, such as user creation or status updates. Save the webhook and ensure that the status indicates it is active. Next, return to Make and create a new webhook module. Configure this module to catch incoming requests from Clerk. Map the incoming data from Clerk to relevant fields within your make scenario. Test your webhook by triggering an event in Clerk. Monitor the response in Make to confirm successful data reception. Once everything is configured, you can automate further actions based on the webhook events received. Make sure to test all scenarios to ensure your setup works as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.